Welcome to the CiaoTool BSC tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete process of performing a relay transfer using CiaoTool on the BSC. First, open the CiaoTool official website and click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select a wallet that you've created and that supports the BSC. Here, we'll use MetaMask as an example. Once connected, go to Batch Transfer, Relay Transfer. Next, select the token address you want to send and enter the private key of the wallet from which you'll send the tokens. You can also choose to upload a file to batch import multiple sending wallets. Then, enter the recipient wallet addresses, which can be entered manually or imported via a file. Note: the number of sending wallets must match the number of receiving wallets. After confirming the wallets, click Next. Now set the transfer amount. All balance. Send all tokens from each wallet. Fixed amount. Send the same amount from each wallet. Fixed retain. Keep the same remaining balance in each wallet after sending. Custom. Upload a file to customize the sending amount for each wallet. Here you can also set the number of relay transfers and adjust the sending amount for each wallet individually. Once the amounts are confirmed, click Next. The system will generate a relay wallet file, which you can use to view the detailed relay path. Finally, double-check the sending addresses, receiving addresses, and send amounts. Once everything is confirmed, click Send to complete the relay transfer.